Hello, health enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the world of Noni juice and uncovering why you should drink it every day. First things first, what is Noni juice? Noni juice comes from the fruit of the Morinda citrifolia tree, native to Southeast Asia and Australasia. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and now it's making waves in the health community. So why should you consider adding Noni juice to your daily regimen? Let's talk about the amazing health benefits. Number 1, boosts immune system. Noni juice is packed with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which helps strengthen your immune system. By drinking Noni juice, you're giving your body the extra support it needs to fight off infections and illnesses. Number 2, improves digestion. If you suffer from digestive issues, Noni juice might be your new best friend. It contains enzymes that aid in digestion and help alleviate symptoms like bloating and constipation. Number 3, reduces inflammation. Inflammation is a common underlying factor in many chronic diseases. The anti-inflammatory properties of Noni juice can help reduce inflammation in your body, potentially easing conditions like arthritis and muscle pain. Number 4, enhances skin health. Want glowing skin? Noni juice is rich in essential fatty acids, which are vital for maintaining healthy skin. Regular consumption can improve skin elasticity and hydration, leaving you with a radiant complexion. Number 5, boosts energy levels. Feeling sluggish? The natural compounds in Noni juice can help boost your energy levels, making you feel more vibrant and alert throughout the day. But wait, there's more. Noni juice also supports heart health, aids in weight management, and has even been linked to improved cognitive function. It's a powerhouse of goodness. Now, a quick note on safety. Always consult with a healthcare professional before adding new supplements to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions or are pregnant. So there you have it. Noni juice is not just a trend, it's a health-boosting elixir with numerous benefits. Why not give it a try and see the difference it can make in your life? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health tips and wellness insights. Cheers to your health. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.